Achim, hi. So, on my walk today, left my house early, like I used to. Haven't done in a while, to get in a walk and exercise. Came down here and was met with a reminder that we have no say when, or more so, if spring is coming. No matter how harsh the winter was, maybe still is, spring is coming, whether we like it or not. And I was reminded again, as a creature of fellow other creatures, birds are gonna come back. Leaves will start to grow out of these trees that make you feel winter. That's gonna all soon change. There's going to be a warmth that comes back. And so on my walk, I stopped and I found this, and I just wanted to, I like it. I like the idea that you're walking on a ground. You think it's all dead, full of leaves, and boom, the life below just starts popping forward. There's so much excitement. There's so much wisdom in experiencing nature. And we humans, we like to think of the nature as outside of us. We're going to nature. We're going into nature. When the reality is, we are creatures like every other creature in this world. And that by that fact alone, our homes, our cities, our roads, it's all part of our habitat, our creature creation. It's what we do. And it's also our nature. We forget this, we forget that we could learn from each other. Amen. We're walking. So this is, I'll give you a quick tour. This is down by the northwest coast of New York City, right? This is the Hudson River. Trains go up and down it all the time. Great birds here. Birds of prey you see flying. Yeah.